Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna talk about and tell you the 4 most important benefits of why is it important to have a healthy gut. Number 1 is improving your immunity. So we know that 70% of our immunity is inside our gut. So all the microbiome, which consists of bacteria, fungi, microbes and viruses, they live all together and provide benefits to the host and remain homeostasis, a balance in our gut. So in what way they help us in improving our health? So first, they help with the digestion of the food and provide nutrients and to make us better to absorb the nutrients. Then they help with detoxification. They protect us from the pathogens, from the bad bacteria, bad viruses, and regulating the immune system, but by maintaining the tolerance of the healthy tissue. They stimulate the production of our immune cells, which are T cells, plasma cells, macrophages, and mast cells. If there is a disbalance in our gut microbiome, then the autoimmune disease happens. So it's very important to have a healthy gut with healthy microbiome to improve and boost our immune system. The benefit number 2 is brain function. So we know that 90% of the serotonin is produced in our gut, which is the happiness hormone, make us happy. This shows that the gut cells send signals to the brain. That's electrical impulses through the vagus nerve. And for every one signal going from the brain to the gut, there are 9 signals going from the gut to the brain. So when the stomach is distressed, it can cause anxiety, stress, and depression. This is because the brain and the intestines and our gut is connected, intimately connected through the vagus nerve. To understand better how and why they are connected, just think of someone who has, like, say, exam or interview. So during this stressful time, some people may have feeling to go to toilet, have diarrhea. That means the stress from the brain directly influence what's going on in the gut. People with gastrointestinal problems experience pain more acutely and strongly than the other people because their brain is more responsive to the pain signals from the gut. Stress can make existing pain even worse. It can cause abdominal pain, cramps, even diarrhea. And also, lower level of serotonin in the gut can be linked with IBS symptoms, cardiovascular disease, and osteoporosis. The researchers found that there are cells in the microbiome which produces serotonin. So what they did, they in the mice they tested, they wiped out their microflora, their microbiome, but good bacteria, and they tested the level of serotonin. And the other group, they had a normal microbiome and normal microflora. So the level of serotonin with the mice which has wiped out microflora was very, very low. And the serotonin levels to the other mice which had the normal microflora had a very high and they were very happy. So these cells which produce serotonin depends on the microbial flora, on the microbes, bacteria, fungi, to help them to produce serotonin levels, which also influence our mood. So benefit number 3 is better nutrient absorption. So number 1 was improved immunity, number 2 better brain function, and number 3 is improved nutrient absorption. So even if we eat the best food, the best nutrients, if they are not absorbed in our body, it's useless. If we don't have a good bacteria, good microbiome, then it's in vain if the nutrients that we eat will not be absorbed. So the microbes, which are in the human digestive system, have evolved with the host in so many years to provide some functions which the host on its own cannot provide. So this large microbial community, diverse with microbes, fungi, viruses, and bacteria, they, together with the enzymes, they digest the food and absorb all the nutrients, make them bioavailable for the host to be able to absorb them. They break down the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into small molecules so they can be easily absorbed into the blood. So without a balanced microbiome, the nutrients from the food cannot be broken down and utilized by our body. So the benefit number 4 is that healthy gut may prevent cancer and autoimmune diseases. So the epithelial cells of the gut wall cells, the changes in these cells is associated with some types of cancer and autoimmune diseases. The immune system, together with a healthy and normal microbiome, is ensuring immunosurveillance against the invading pathogens. But on the other hand, the gut disbalance can be caused by the invading pathogens or environmental factors like smoking, antibiotics, hormones, or bad dietary choices, which are well-known factors that damages the normal gut flora and promotes inflammation. The researchers has shown that increase of these bad bacteria can promote, if they overgrow, can increase the tumor proliferation, and they're promoting inflammation and cause DNA damage, and also protecting the tumor from our immunity. So restoring the gut balance is very important for our health. Also, when the gut-intestine barrier is damaged, then the food particles and the microbes and the pathogens, they leak and go into our blood and cause inflammation, and then cause all the disease to happen, like rheumatoid arthritis, thyroid, Hashimoto, then MS, multiple sclerosis, or any other autoimmune diseases. And this shows that our body is attacking its own tissue and causing damage. So the cause lies in the gut. So by restoring the gut, normalizes the body, and all the symptoms go away. So what were the 4 benefits that we will have if we improve our gut? And those are: number 1, improved immunity. Number 2 was brain health, better brain health. Number 3 was improved nutrient absorption. And number 4, prevent the cancer and autoimmune diseases. So if you want a proven roadmap and step-by-step program, click the link above, join Bye Bye Tummy Troubles now, and see you inside. Bye!